Hi, Chura! Welcome to the modeling audition. How are you today? That's wonderful. Let's take some shots. Yeah, that's great. Yes, perfect. Okay, in the next shots, give me a big smile. Chura? That's a fake smile. Give me a natural smile. That's a great idea. Focus on something that makes you happy and give me a big smile. All right, let's do it. Let's get some more shots. Yes, that's much better. Yes, that's it. That's a perfect yes. Keep smiling. That's great. That was great, Chura. Let's change backgrounds. Okay, can you put your legs a little closer together? There you go. That's perfect. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. Wonderful. Perfect. Yes, great. Awesome. Yes, wonderful. It's perfect.